Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Happy 2019. I have not seen you guys since 2018 because I have been lagging. If you guys are new here and don't recognize my face, I am Tiwa Jackie P. I film videos every week, or I used to film videos every week, but I mostly film food, DIYs, reviews, other random things, mostly makeup. So if you like videos like that, don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe, and we will be friends. Few things to address. Yes, I do have this weird blonde chunk in my hair. I got my hair lightened for 2019. You know, new year, new me, but really honestly it's the new year, same me. But I did get like a balayage on my hair, so I did caramel highlights. I think some of my hair did not pick up on the toner, so like this piece right here is super blonde. There's other pieces in my hair that aren't caramely, like the bottom of my hair is like significantly different colored than that. But I do think when I get my hair redone in a couple weeks, I am going to go lighter. So anyway, without me rambling on with that, we'll just get into the real part of the video. So today's video is all about this sunset orange yellow, like bright eyeshadow look, because let me tell you, 2019's weather has been real, but it's been not good. The sun is out today, but it is like negative 12 degrees outside. So your girl is staying in. It's my last day off. I am going to be in the house all day. That's great, you know. So I wanted to kind of brighten my day, do something a little cheerful. So I did a sunset yellow makeup look. I've done this at my job before and I've gotten a lot of compliments on it. So I figured I would film it for you guys and show you guys how I achieved this look. I feel like this look is pretty incomplete when you watch the video without false eyelashes and eyeliner, but with everything put together, I really do think this is like a fun look. Also, I don't think I've done a yellow look on my channel. I've done orange, I've done purple, pink, maybe glitter, but I haven't done anything like yellow like this. I know it is like yellow orange, but yes, my one coworker called it like a dandelion look. Love that. So if you guys want to see how I got this makeup look, keep watching and we will just get into the video. So now that I got you nice and close to my face, I look crazy. Also, don't mind my eyebrows. They're growing weird because my eyebrow girl is on vacation right now, so I cannot get those little stray hairs plucked out, you know? We are going to start the look and using my James Charles palette. We are going to go in to the color Tune. So we'll just pack that on. I'm like losing my mind. I thought I saw green on myself, but there was no green. Today I am not using tape because I'm just gonna clean it up with a makeup wipe because I don't know what I did with my tape. So yes, this is just the base color. I'm not really trying to be perfect with this. Just swiping that Tune all over the eyelid. I'm going to take the color B, which is a really bright yellow color, and put that all on this brush, and I'm just going to focus that all on the actual eyelid. This is going to look really messy at first, but it comes together. So now that I have that like base coat down, I'm going to go in with this Morphe M433 brush, and I'm going to dip into the color, what is that color? The color 518, which is a like mac and cheese orange color, and then I'm gonna dip back into B on top of that, and we're just gonna start blending into the crease area. And we're just gonna go up above that yellow to kind of add some dimension, and then to the outer corner, and we'll just blend that all together. So we have that and that. I look like a pumpkin. It's a look, it's okay. Okay, so now that we have that like base kind of down, we are going to go in with this yellow color, which is just B, the bright yellow, and we're gonna kind of blend those together. And to kind of like tone down the orange, because the orange can look a little crazy. It looks a lot more blended in person, but I feel like on camera, the cameras just pick up color a lot. Like you'll hear me say a lot that something looks a little bit more vivid on camera than it does in person. I just feel like the camera picks up on color way more, so it might look super duper orange and like not blended, when in reality the colors have blended pretty well with each other. So I'm gonna go in actually with my soft ochre paint pot and a flat smudgy brush, and we're just gonna get some of that on there, and then I'm going to kind of cut the crease. I'm not doing a real cut crease, but this is gonna help make the yellow more vivid, and we're just gonna go over that area. And you kind of want to start off slow because you can get a little messy with it. So now that we have that color down, I'm going to go in with this flat eyeshadow brush. You can use whatever you like, and I'm going to go in with the yellow color Tune, and then I'm going to go in with B as well, so mix the two, and then I'm just going to go and pat that onto the lid where I put that soft ochre paint pot. As you can see, it pops way more than it does on this eye. So then now I'm going to go in with just the color Tune, which is again that buttery yellow color, and I'm going to kind of blend the outer part into that orange a little bit on the top, and then just blend into that lighter yellow. I'll just go in with the color Code James, which is actually a little bit more of a deeper orange, and I will just kind of blend that in the outer corner. And kind of blend up. This color is super pigmented. It really like packs a punch, I feel like, more than that other orange, even though it's deeper in tone. And I feel like with looks like these, it's easy to look at it and be like, I hate that, or it doesn't look right. When you put like eyeliner on and like eyelashes and mascara or whatever, it really does add to the look. So now I'm just gonna use the color Roach from Urban Decay to kind of line my upper lash line to get it some thickness. This isn't really to add anything, but I don't want to go with black because that would be too harsh. Now to clean up the eye look, I'm going to take my Sephora Rose Cleansing Wipes, and I'll just take one if I can get one out. I love the smell of these so much. And then this is a little bit of a waste to use one of these, so you can cut them up. I will just use part of it and let it dry, and then I'll just wet certain parts of it and use it throughout the week. That sounds really disgusting, but I'm the only one using it. It's fine. I feel like it's just a huge waste to use this one for this and then throw it away when the rest of it is literally clean. I'm going to go in and clean up under the eye because that yellow can kind of get everywhere, and then just go straight up and kind of give like a nice angle. We are pretty much done with the eye look. I'm going to go pop on some eyeliner and some false eyelashes, finish my face, and I will be back. Okay, so I'm back. I just finished my makeup. I took the little clippies out of my hair and I put on some false eyelashes, some foundation. I feel like the false eyelashes and eyeliner really do make the look complete. I just started using false eyelashes recently. I have to cut them so small to even get them on my eye, for them to even stay on my eye or to look decent. So I have been just testing that out. I'm wearing like Idole 174. I don't really know. Maybe I put it on the wrong tray. But yes, this is the final makeup look. I feel like it came out really nice. I've gotten a lot of compliments on this eye look when I have worn it, so I figured I would film it for you guys. So yes, if you guys like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe so you can get more videos from me. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye! Still looking a little crazy. This lip gloss is attracting a lot of hair on my lip, or just like any brightly colored makeup look.